This is room 1101 at Four Seasons at the Surf Club at Surfside, Florida. Apparently, only the corner rooms have this amazing vista with the wrap-around terrace that gives both sunrise and sunset. There's the famous boardwalk out there and the beach. There we are. It's quite rough today. The room is so clean. It's just gorgeous. It's almost as though the only color comes from the ocean outside. The desk's all white and brown. Either side there are sockets with 2 USB ports, and I've got fiber optic reading lights. Color comes from the fruit. I feel as though I should be wearing slim Aran jersey shorts, stripes, with a big floppy hat. Some color. The green marble with the entertainment center. Downstairs, there's a Laurent Perrier drinks trolley to greet arrivals. And here's the bathroom, another beautifully clean environment. I think I must use sparkle instead. In the shower, you can just dimly see outside. It took 35 minutes from Miami Airport, but you feel as though you're in a completely different world when you get here.